In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable the automatic translation feature in Google Chrome. If you've ever found it a bit intrusive or simply prefer to handle translations manually, you've come to the right place. Let's dive in and walk through this simple process to make your browsing experience more customized to your needs. First, you'll want to open up Google Chrome. Just a quick note, make sure you're using an updated version of the browser to ensure all the steps align smoothly with what you see on your screen. Once Chrome is open, direct your eyes to the top right corner. Here, you'll see three vertical dots, often called the menu or options button. Go ahead and click on these dots. This will reveal a drop-down menu with a variety of options for managing your browser. From this list, you'll want to find and click on Settings. Selecting this will take you to a new page that holds the keys to customizing numerous aspects of your Chrome experience. On the Settings page, you'll see a panel on the left-hand side. This panel organizes a number of categories where you can adjust Chrome's behavior and preferences. For this task, we're interested in the category labeled Languages. Click on Languages to proceed further into the settings we need. Now, you've arrived at the Languages section of the settings. Here, you can configure all language-related aspects of the browser, from preferred languages to translation services. The area we are focusing on today lies under Google Translate, an integrated feature of Chrome that attempts to translate web pages into your default language automatically. To disable the automatic language translation feature, look for the toggle switch next to the option labeled Use Google Translate to translate pages. You'll want to click or slide this toggle off. You'll notice that when the switch is off, it changes either the color or position, making it clear that translations won't be done automatically anymore. This setting adjustment means you're in complete control, and the browser will no longer offer to translate pages unless you decide to do so manually. And there you have it. By following these instructions, you've successfully turned off the automatic translation feature in Google Chrome. This little customization allows you more control, offering a browsing experience tailored specifically to your liking. I hope this guide has been clear and helpful. Thank you for following along, and feel free to reach out with any questions or if you'd like to explore more Chrome settings. Happy browsing!